Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create Epic Games account for Fortnite, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to be search Epic Game options, and then you just need to go over here. Once you come over that place, you will get the option to sign in and the download. So I will just click over here to the sign in button to create an account. Once you click over here, then they will actually ask you for the Gmail, or you can go with your Google and Steam account. So you can go whatever you want, like it's totally dependent on you. I will go with this option, just click over here, then I will select my Gmail account. Once I select my Gmail account, then it will take a couple of minutes and they will provide me all the necessary documents in here, and I am ready to go on here. So sign in another way. So here you just need to provide your access. So I hope you understand how easy the process was to create an account in Epic Games to play the Fortnite. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.